In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for pivot points inside of MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is go up to your favorite browser and then search for mql5.com. And then from here you'll need to find pivot points level. I'll also put a link to that down in the description. And the reason why I found this is because MetaTrader 5 doesn't usually have already installed pivot points, so we'll need to install a plugin or indicator that will automatically place these pivot points inside of your charts. So from here, you will simply need to click download right here and then click yes, I have MetaTrader 5. From here, you will see open MetaTrader 5 client terminal, and then from here, MetaTrader 5 will automatically open. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you can go up and search and click here, download, and as you can hear and see down here, the pivot points level has been installed. Now from here, you'll need to find the specific chart that you want to place this pivot points levels to. And then from here, you'll need to go down to the navigator down here and then under indicators, and then down here under market, you'll see the pivot point levels. From here, you'll need to right click on it and click attach to chart. You can also just drag and drop it into your chart like so. And as you can see here, the pivot points level, just click OK. And then from here, when the time comes, it will apply the pivot points. And then once everything is done, a new pop-up window will pop up where you can adjust the calculation method, aka the classic or Camarilla, timeline, and colors of the input tab. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!